Welcome back to Edits in Minutes. Today we'll explore how to create a smooth slide transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, import the clips you want to use and place them on the timeline. Now, let's add the slide transition between the two clips. Go to the Effects panel on the right side of the screen. In the search bar, type Slide under Video Transitions. Drag the slide transition from the Effects panel and drop it onto the cut between your two clips in the timeline. To customize the slide transition, click on the transition in the timeline to select it. Then, go to the Effect Controls panel to adjust the settings. Adjust the transition duration from 0.25 to 0.10 to make the transition smoother. In addition, you can choose the direction of the slide by selecting the arrow from the different options. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when using slide transitions. That's how you create a smooth slide transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.